Hey guys, it's a beautiful Thursday. Got a good video here for you today. Uh, I didn't get a lot done. Big shocker, I know. Up here, I'm already on my camping trip, but I am making up for it. I am going to stop on my way to the camping spot in Madras tomorrow, which is on my way to where we're going camping, and fix an issue. Customer turned on their electric furnace for the first time the other day, and they said they smelled like a burning smell in their electrical panel. So I don't know what's going on there. So I'll check it out. It might be a job for an electrician, but I told her I'd stop by and take a look at it. But today I go back out to that big remodel job, and I don't have anything to do a lot of progress on it, if I can speak. And I woke up today at like 2:30 a.m. and I think I fell back asleep for like a half an hour between like 5:30 and 6. So I didn't get much sleep last night, and no, it wasn't because I was having some beers. So don't go there. That's just some nights I wake up regardless, and I just can't go back to sleep. I woke up and all of a sudden I'm watching a movie. Before I know it, it's morning time, and I've got no sleep. There's my cat right there. So here, let's take a, you guys want to take a look at him? Here, come here. Come here, you. Oh yeah, this is my big orange kitty here. His name's Dutch. Yeah, he's a big boy. He's a big fatty. He likes to eat a lot. Say hi, Dutch. All right, guys, enjoy the video. I'll see you with a new one tomorrow. I'll get some footage on that service call. Good morning, guys. Seton HVAC here. It is Thursday, October 17th, 2024. Another nice morning, getting up and seeing that it rained some. Really good for us over here. It's been dry for a long time. I've mentioned it many times, but gosh, I know talking about the weather's boring, but man, it's just been so dry over here. I know I'm in a desert, but it's been even more so than usual. So I'm heading back out to this big job. You guys saw the part one yesterday. So some of the footage from today is going to be from yesterday, and then I'll have some from today. I'll just kind of mix them together. Because I got a lot of footage yesterday, and I didn't want to do it all in one video, because I don't know, I think 40-minute videos are kind of lame. I think people lose a lot of attention span, you know, unless it's like a mystery or something. Those people tend to watch all the way through. So anyway, headed out here. I'm gonna get the heat pump going on this, probably start working on some drains, whatever I decide to do. I'm already on my camping trip in my brain already, so I'll get you some shots tomorrow. I got a service call I'm gonna stop at on my way, because it's on the way to our camping spot. So I'll have a service call for you tomorrow. But yeah, I'll see you out on this job today. All right, guys, we're back. I got some goodies here. I think I'm gonna get going on the drains and working on this humidifier, getting it all wired in. So let's do it. I didn't get much sleep last night, so I don't know how much I'm gonna have for you today. All right, guys, I'm gonna start by doing these drains, but I'm not only gonna be able to do a little bit of them, obviously, because if you look over here, I wanted to run them across and over, but we're not gonna have where his drains are. We're gonna tie into his drain off of the tankless. We'd be right through that doorway, and then we'd have a trip hazard through there. So what I'm gonna do is just pipe off of them, and we'll mount a pump right here. Have the humidifier and the coil go right down into there. So I'll have to get some parts for it, but we'll get it started at least. Yep, Joe Shearer's probably laughing. All right, guys, as far as I can go with these, because I have to get myself a condensate pump. I didn't have one on the truck. I'm going to set one right there. So I got my vinyl tubing off my humidifier with my tiger loop. I'll just drop it into a pipe, have the pipe drop down into the pump, Anytime you do a humidifier that's not going into the plumbing system, that's not going into a trap, you got to do one of these loops. And then my secondary on my air handler, my primary is just going to drop down into the pump right here. So sorry about that, got cut off. So I'm going to put one of my easy traps on before I drop it into the pump. So I'm out of those too, so I'll order some of those up today. Like I said, up here in my brain, I'm already on my camping trip. I'm gonna go ahead and tie that drain in, and then I'll get the low voltage and the electrical and the heat pump tied in and get the heat pump running, so it's not on this emergency heat all weekend. So my bag of goodies was missing the little drain port on my ERV here, so I'm gonna have to use this. I'm gonna get a rubber gasket and a lock ring. No, that won't work either. I need threads that go up. It looks like I'm gonna have to go to the Home Depot and find something that'll work for that. Looks like probably 1/2 or 3/8 threaded to go through there, and then I'll get a gasket and a lock ring, something I can adapt to 3/4 PVC with. We'll figure it out. It'll be fine. It's down here in this crawl space, so but we don't want to drip, so we'll figure it out. I don't want to work today. I know you guys are gonna say I don't want to work any day. Wait till you see the next few months. It's gonna be non-stop. So all right guys, I'm gonna get my thermostat wire wired in there, and I'm going to get my power wired in there. I know you guys said why didn't I flip it, but I told you why. And I didn't flip it that way because I didn't want to have my line set having to come across all hokey. So it is what it is. Let's get it wired up. Okay guys, I think I've showed you this before, but the Bosch only has 4 wires. It's got the blue, hold on. It's got your reversing valve, blue, brown common, white is your defrost, kicks on your electric strip heat when it goes into defrost, and just your yellow wire for when there's a call for compressor. So alright guys, she's running. Not getting much heat transfer though because I haven't weighed in any charge yet. I'm going to force it into its charge mode here in a second, and we'll do some charging on it. And it's throwing my eye off. It doesn't look level to me, but she's level. So it's the damnedest thing, and just my luck. The thing was running and cooling. So my discharge air temperature sensor, the temp was going down. See, now we're at room temp. I had the programming on this set to reversing valve in B. I have the thermostat set to reversing valve energized in heat, which are supposed to be on the Bosch. I don't know. I went ahead and switched this back over to O just to see if I get a difference. I'm waiting for the equipment delay right now. And why is my zone 2 closed now? Oh man, this is pissing me off. So I switched this over to reversing valve in cooling energized, thermostat say in heating, and you know, and we all know the Bosch equipment's all energized in B, heating. But now I'm getting a warm coil, and I'm getting only one zone calling those, zone 1, which is north side, which would be this side right here. So, all right, hold on. God damn it. All right, guys, I'm gonna keep it in emergency heat for now. At least they can keep the house warm and keep the tile guys happy. I don't know what happened there. This is my first time doing the Bosch BC100 thermostats to one of these zone panels. So there's some sort of conflict happening, because what happened was I had both calling for heating, and it showed cooling on there, but it was heating. Fan kicked on finally, but then one of the zones closed, and then it went into purge. So I don't know what's going on. Everything's wired correctly. I really don't like the setup of those Bosch BC100s. I'm going to gather some more information and see. I mean, if you guys know, let me know. I'm not bad mouthing it. I love the Bosch stuff. I'm just not familiar with those thermostats really. So yeah, I might end up just putting the Prestige, Honeywell Prestiges on there like I was going to do. Sucks, I gotta get the interface modules and everything. It's gonna cost me about 500 more bucks total. But, you know, it is what it is. To be continued.